Verify box content. Manually detach the wire box from the main unit. Here's what you'll find in the box. Gather tools. You will need to prepare these tools to assist your installation. Observe the installation site before installation and prepare other required tools. Plan the location. First, find a finished wall or pedestal. The recommended installation height is between 33.5 to 45 inches. Find the top mark in the wire box to help you position it correctly using the built-in spirit level. Ensure it's level before marking the 3 mounting holes with a pencil. Once marked, remove the wire box temporarily. Punching. You can make a 50 mm deep mark on the 8 mm drill bit, and then use the power drill to align it with the mark on the wall to drill the hole. Tap the 3 wall anchors into the holes. The wire box has 6 cable entry options, and the choice depends on the positioning of your conduit. To use the top or bottom entry points, manually remove the plugs. If you need to use the rear entry points, drill holes with a step bit. Then, use the self-tapping screws and power drill with a Phillips bit. Position the wire box against the wall, aligning it with the holes. Insert and tighten 3 self-tapping screws to secure the wire box. Power cable connection. This video will use the bottom entry as an example. Connect the conduits and conduit fittings 1 inch recommended and route them into the charger. There is a cutting reference here in the wire box. Follow the markings and strip the wire to ½ inch. Loosen the terminal screw counterclockwise with a Phillips screwdriver. Connect the wires correctly according to the markings. Adjust the torque driver to 35 inches pound and tighten each terminal screw clockwise. Internet connection. You will need an Ethernet cable. And plug the Ethernet cable into the RJ45 port at the back of the main unit. The charger supports 4G cellular networks. Flip open the SIM card socket cover and insert the SIM card. Ensure the card is installed properly. Close the socket cover. Finishing installation. Once all the wires are connected, push the main unit onto the wire box. There are 4 nuts above and below the charger that need to be fixed with screws. Use the included T25 Torx screwdriver to install and secure the 4 screws to secure the charger. Finally, install the 4 screw plugs. Ensure the contact pins fit the contacts in the main unit. Once the charger is securely installed, you can test it. It will go through a series of self-checks to ensure everything is working correctly and safely.